Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have High Priestess, Seven of Cups, and the Hangman. So, Leos, in your situation today, guys, maybe for some of you, you have some doubts or confusions. Maybe you have seen so much in life, experienced so much, but the situation in front of you, you don't know the solution, guys. So, some kind of confusions are there, you don't know which way to go, and you have a lot of dreams and aspirations, and your decision is going to affect your life, maybe your future. So you are thinking a lot. So what works well for you and what will take you towards your dreams, and you are hoping for a better situation in future, and you are planning ahead for your future, guys. So maybe in this relationship, you have a particular expectation with this person. You have a lot of fantasies, you have a lot of dreams for this love, and you are thinking whether this person is the right one for you. So you have not made up your mind. Maybe you are interested in someone, you are in a connection with someone, but still you have not made that concrete decision, guys, and you are still thinking whether to move forward with this love or maybe take time, wait. So some kind of confusion or doubts. And I also see that uh, you are what to say getting that clarity, guys, in your situation. Maybe some you would have had some doubts about this person, maybe whether they will be right for you. So you are having a lot of plans for your future, and you were expecting certain qualities with this person, but maybe for some reason you did not have that clarity. Maybe you are new to this person or they are new to you. Maybe you have not had a very deep connection with them, and you are moving towards that, guys, moving towards an intimate relationship, and you don't want to get too intimate with them before knowing them clearly. And maybe for some of you, there is someone, it may be a common friend, or it may be someone you know, and this person knows them too. So some kind of it may be someone from your family or a friend. So they are giving you maybe good information about this person. So some kind of mystery or some kind of secrets are being revealed to you today, guys. So you have a better knowledge of this person now. Maybe this person who is giving the information is someone whom you trust. So they are telling you few things, few good things about them, and you are happy, or you are feeling that relief that your situation is resolving. Maybe so now you can decide what needs to be, whether to go forward with this love or not. So, some kind of mystery is being revealed to you today, guys, Leos. And let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Death. So, with this card, guys, maybe you are seeing some inevitable changes, guys. For some of you, I just talked about some mystery reveal. Maybe it may be a positive news, or it may even be a negative news, guys. So if it is something negative, maybe you are moving away from this person, or they are moving away from you. But if it is something positive, you are going to be together, guys. But whatever it is, Leos, whether it is a positive news or negative news, there are some changes, inevitable changes happening in this love. Maybe today it may look like a painful situation, but this is necessary for you to move positively in life, guys, to have that experience and learn so much in life, Leos. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the moon. So this just means that in your career situation, there are people working against you. They are quite jealous of you. So you need to be really careful, guys, Leos. So they may pose as your friend or a family member, but your colleague, and they are working against you, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.